Creating beautiful nail art designs is a fantastic way to express your creativity and enhance the appearance of your nails. While some nail art designs can be quite complex and intricate, beginners can start with simple and easy to follow designs to build their skills. In this video, we'll explore various tips and ideas for creating nail art designs that is both stylish and beginner friendly. Before diving into the nail art, it's essential to gather the necessary supplies. Here are some things that you will need: nail polishes, nail air brushes, toothpicks, nail tape or striping tape, dotting tools, nail polish remover or cotton swabs. Invest in a variety of nail polish colors. You can start with basic colors like red, blue, pink and white, etc. Make sure your collection includes a clear top coat and a base coat for added protection and a longer lasting manicure. You will need a set of nail art brushes with different brush tips for creating various designs. These brushes are fine tipped, making them perfect for intricate work. If you are not ready to invest in nail art brushes, toothpicks can be an excellent choice. They are readily available and can help you create delicate designs. Nail tapes or striping tape. These are thin adhesive stripes that can be used to create precise lines or geometric designs. Dotting tools. Dotting tools are essential for creating perfect dots. They usually come in a set with different size ends, allowing you to experiment with various dot sizes. Nail polish removers. These are for cleaning up any mistake or excess polish. The beauty of nail art lies in its ability to experiment with colors and combinations. Gorgeous nail art often starts with a carefully chosen colors palette. Bold, vibrant colors can create a dramatic impact. While some pastels exclude elegance, metallics like gold and silver can add a touch of luxury. And neutrals provide a timeless, sophisticated look.